Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to fix WeChat unusual network or device environment. Alright, so let's begin with the video. First, go to your settings. Scroll down and click on the apps. Next, look for your app WeChat. Then toggle off background app refresh. After a few seconds, turn it back on. Next, go to your General and click iPhone storage. Then, look for the WeChat app, click on it. Then click Offload app and confirm the action. Then reinstall the WeChat app. Once the app is reinstalled, you should now be able to use your WeChat app without any network or device environment errors. So that's basically how you can fix WeChat unusual network or device environment. So that's all for this video. Consider subscribing if you find it helpful, and I'll catch you in the next one. Thanks.